welcome you to Huawei product launch event. This is a Huawei Mate 30 and Mate 30 Pro. We think the design. We bring the Hello Rain design. We make the screen display to the borderless 88-degree edge-to-edge design. On Mate 30, we have two back material, the vegan leather and the glass, and 6 color for your selection. On the Mate 30 Pro, we also have the 2 material on the back and the 6 color. We think performance. In this phone, we have the world's most powerful 5G SoC chipset inside, the KV990. And inside this 4,500 large battery, we provide the seamless Huawei supercharging anytime, anywhere. We think the photography. We introduced the dual big sensor inside. We are the first vendor in this to introduce ultra-wide-angle cine camera. Together with the super sensing wide angle, we have a tele lens and also we have 3D depth sensing technology. Huawei Mate 30 Pro, the world's first smartphone with dedicated 14 megapixel cine camera with ultra slow motion, professional 4K video, ultra stable recording, 4K cinematic time lapse, ultra low light, wide angle time lapse. As we think the experience, EMUI 10, we can support the latest Android 10. This phone have the leading smart gesture sensor in front. It's an AI auto rotate. You can follow your eyes direction. We bring the intelligent multi-screen collaboration. We always take the privacy and security protection as a top priority.